Hey everybody! Welcome back to Frank's Fine Foods YouTube channel, where everything in the kitchen is scrumptious. So the ingredients for the recipe today are as follows. We've got one medium to large onion diced, or chopped I should say. We have minced garlic and minced ginger. So I've put 1.5 teaspoons of each of those in there. We need olive oil for the purposes of frying these vegetables, softening them up. We have 1 sweet potato here and 1 red bell pepper. As far as our spices that we need, I have 3 tablespoons of yellow curry powder, and I also have 2 healthy pinches of flaked red pepper, chili peppers. We've got 2 cans of coconut milk, and we may not use all of it. We're going to use it according to our consistency when we get to making everything. And then we have 1 can of chickpeas, 19 ounce, and they have been drained and washed. This is optional, and this is optional. I like to add it just for flavor and color. I've got some baby bok choy here, just like 2 bulbs of it chopped up, and I've got about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. This is Basa Fillets. There are 4 fillets in here. This recipe, by the way, is enough for 4 people. They're all cut up into pieces like this. Salt and pepper for seasoning. Let's get together here and start cooking. Need a nice sized pot like this. Alright. So now we're going to start putting it together. About 3 tablespoons of olive oil. That's 3 times around or thereabouts. Let that heat up for a second or 2. We're going to soften our vegetables first, and then we're going to add the ginger and garlic. So we're going to soften these 3 vegetables first, and then incorporate the ginger and garlic, and then we're going to incorporate the spices, the milk, and also the chickpeas. We'll throw in this and this and let it all simmer together with a lid on it. And that'll take approximately 20 minutes until the potatoes are tender. And at that time, we're going to open it up. We're just going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to incorporate our fish at the final stage. Fish doesn't take long to cook, so you don't want it overcooked and rubbery. So we'll just put that in the last 5 minutes of the cooking stage and let it all incorporate the flavors together. So let's go! So while that's going on, I'll have my trusted sous chef here stir that up and keep an eye on it. Put a little bit more oil. Sorry, Dylan. There you go. This only takes about 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Then we start incorporating everything else. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our baby bok choy, get that softened up a bit. That smells good already. So you got a nice variation of colors here, your red, your orange, your white, your green. So all the vegetables are softened up a little bit here, as you can see. So we're going to add some of our remaining ingredients. Again, this is a teaspoon and a half, sorry, of ginger minced and garlic minced. Minced garlic and minced ginger. So let's throw that all in there. Let's throw in our spices. Mix that all together. Add your chickpeas. Looks beautiful, eh? Very colorful. I'll put another half a can of this in there. Oops. Guess I should have shook that. So I'll throw another half a can of that in for now. We're gonna cover it and, well, actually we'll bring it to a boil first, cover it and simmer it for roughly 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. And then we'll add our fish and our cilantro and let it cook for the last 5 or so minutes. Okay, so we've done our cilantro and seasoned it with salt and pepper. Now we're just gonna bring it back to a boil and reduce our heat to a simmer for another 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more milk in here. So that's 2 cans in total. And we'll show you the finished product when all the cooking is done. And here we have our finished product, folks. I sure as heck hope you enjoy it. Taste test everything just to make sure it's done to the consistency you like your vegetables. And we got a little lime here on the side as a garnish, but it is also useful in sprinkling on the top. Have a nice day and enjoy, and please make sure you come back for future videos. There's lots more coming at Frank's Fine Foods. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notifications on for future videos. Thank you. Have a great day.